Question 3. Use the figure and information to complete the proof. Given that M is parallel to N, prove that angle 2 is congruent to angle 8. So here's our diagram. And I'm noticing that there's statements here and that's missing A, and in the reason it's still A. So these two are going to be the same thing, and that B is going to be a different one. Now if you look at proofs and instantly are like panicking, duplicate the tab, and then we're going to click the show all, and we're going to look for an example like this. So notice again where angle 2 and angle 8 are located in this, and I'm just going to look for some proofs so you have time to look at that. Okay, so this one is similar. This is prove the alternate exterior angles theorem. The reason I say it's similar is because they want us to prove, in this example, angle 1 and angle 7, and notice they're on, here's the transversal, that was not straight, here's the transversal, here's the left side, here's the right side, 1 is right here, 7 is right here, so they're on alternate sides, and then between the lines, they are not, so they're not in between, so they're exterior. So if we're going to compare this with ours, we have that angle, here's the transversal, and here's the left side, here's the right side. Angle 2 is right here, angle 8 is right here, so they are on alternate sides. And are they between the two lines? No, they are exterior as well. So these two are the same setup. They're alternate exteriors, so I'm going to be scanning through this as an example. So I'm noticing that, again, remember this is angle 1 and angle 7. So this is saying angle 2 and angle 8 are blank. Well, we already talked through that. They are alternate exterior angles. So we have alternate exterior angles, that's what they are. That's the definition of alternate exterior angles, so that makes sense. And then they just actually jumped to angle 2 is congruent to angle 8, and I'm noticing that this example doesn't have that jump. So then I'm going to just think to myself, okay, there is a theorem in here. It would be in a red box that says right there, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then alternate exterior angles are congruent. That is the theorem right there. So I want to point out that first they give a definition of the reason, they state what it is, and then you can use the theorem. A lot of times in proofs, you have to give the definition of what it is, state what it is, and then you can use the theorems for it. So that's a tip for proofs. Definition first, then the theorem.